Thanks so much for joining us tonight. We start with that breaking news investigation. A Grant County OBGYN, who's also head of that county's health department, now under investigation tonight. Thanks for joining us at 10. I'm Dan Spieler.
And I'm Birchelle Edmay. Two state agencies are investigating accusations against this doctor. Debbie Knox, our partner at CBS 4, now joining us with the story. You've been following it for quite some time.
Yeah.
And these are some serious allegations.
They are very serious, Dan and Birchelle. The doctor at the center of these investigations is William David Moore. And tonight we can tell you that his practice in Marion, Indiana is closed and his license is suspended.
We received these documents from Channel 27 in Grant County. The Attorney General's office and state police detail what a patient of Dr. Moore says she was subjected to. During a routine pap and pelvic examination in 2017, she accuses Dr. Moore of rubbing her thighs. At the most recent exam in 2022, he's accused of photographing the patient's genitalia without her permission. That patient made a formal complaint to the Attorney General's office in 2022, which triggered an investigation. There are reportedly more patients who have come forward with similar complaints. Last month, Dr. Moore put out a statement online announcing his practice in Marion, Indiana was closing down December 20th, and that, quote, "After my retirement, I will not be licensed to practice medicine." But Fox 59 and CBS 4 have learned that as of January 13th, a state website shows his medical license was suspended pending final adjudication by the Indiana Medical Licensing Board. The document also states Dr. Moore represents a clear and immediate danger to public health and safety if he is allowed to continue to practice. On the webpage announcing his retirement, it also states beginning February 1st of this year, Marion General Hospital will be the custodian of Dr. Moore's medical records. We found video of Dr. Moore at a Grant County Board of Health meeting from 2020. As of now, he remains that department's chief officer. It's unclear if he'll remain in that position with his medical license suspended.
Now, the Grant County commissioners, who we have learned are aware of the two investigations, meet this next week. And we've reached out to Dr. Moore's attorney, but we have not yet heard back from him. And by the way, we will continue to bring you updates on this story in the coming days.
Really disturbing situation, Debbie. I know it's not the last we'll hear.
There are more people who will be speaking about this.
Yeah.
All right.
Debbie Knox from our partners at CBS 4. Thank you so much.
Glad to be here.
Appreciate it. Yeah.